Good day. Many of you are finishing up your annotated bibliographies and you're ready to move on to our next assignment. From this point until the rest of the semester, your assignments will all relate to your ethnography topic. They will also be in APA format. So this is the first of a couple of videos that will help to explain your annotated bibliography, APA format, things of that nature. So let's get started. In your annotated bibliography unit, which is right underneath the argument unit, you will find your assignment sheet. So if you click on that, you will notice that it's just formatted like your other assignment sheets have been formatted. They are referenced back to the main courses booklet in the beginning of the semester. So your annotated bibliography assignment for this summer will be directly related to your ethnography. So like the assignment sheet that looks in front of you says, from this point forward we are moving away from MLA and we're going to focus on APA. Remember, I told you at the beginning of the summer that English 112 requires that students be exposed to at least two different documentation styles, and Nash has chosen to use MLA and APA because they're the most popular. I will provide another video that describes APA a little bit more in depth. But if we look at our annotated bibliography, you are required to find 5 sources to review. These sources I would strongly recommend be included in your literature review of your ethnography. This makes your work a lot easier. You don't have to go and find more information. So your topic should be directly related to what you observed. So you needed to, as you're observing, kind of create a hypothesis to go around and see what you wanted to look at. So, for example, I had a student last summer who is going into business and management in particular, and she observed, she worked at a pool, and so she observed the way people, both employees and the pool attendees, interacted with different managers. And so her annotated bibliography focused on different managerial styles and which was better for both maybe the employees. One managerial style was good, but for the customers, or in her case the pool attendees, maybe another managerial style was good. So and she came upon that by just sitting and observing while she was lifeguarding how people reacted to different managers. So I'm hoping that that's kind of things that you have experienced along the way. You are to find 5 sources, like I said earlier. You are not to use popular magazines or websites. You need to use journals and credible sources. So you may use NC Live or Google Scholar. If you come across a really good website, you need to send that to me, email me the link, and so that I can check it out for you. Otherwise, it will not be accepted. Your annotated bibliography needs to be in APA format with a proper bibliographic citation. APA formats their citations a little bit differently than MLA, and we'll discuss that further. Underneath each citation, you will need to have your annotation. Now, if you took English 111 here, you were exposed to annotated bibliographies in English 111. If you were not, annotated bibliographies are one of the easiest things, I think, for students to complete because it's very formulaic. So if you're a math-minded type person, people like annotated bibliographies because they're like, oh, I just need to put this here and put that there. So you will arrange your sources alphabetically, and you will each annotation needs to be half a page at least. They are double-spaced. You do need 1-inch margins. Times New Roman font, 12 point is also accepted. So that is about your annotated bibliography. And if you have any questions, please let me know. The next presentation will be about what to include in the annotated citations. So I hope you have happy researching and that you have a good topic that you feel comfortable with to go out and find those 5 sources. Let me know if you have questions.